Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They each smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have another unboxing and first impression plus the update for you, and this update is for Antonio Banderas. Yes, it's a celebrity fragrance. And this is Blue Seduction for Men EDT 100 ml. Came out 2007. And look guys, I don't want to bash fragrance. You know me, I'm most of the time try to be positive, but there are times that you cannot hide, okay? And apart from the perfumer for this, which is Olivier Cresp, which is one of the very famous perfumers, one of the top perfumes in the world. This one doesn't have that much goodness in it, unfortunately. Sorry guys. For me it didn't work. The opening is okay, it's fine, but the rest of it just falls apart and it smells like a, excuse my language, cheap perfume, okay? It is cheap and it smells cheap. Unfortunately, it doesn't last either. 3 to 4 hours maximum. If you put on t-shirt, maybe about 5 hours, and you need a huge amount of it to feel it, smell it. You need at least about 20 sprays of it to basically feel something. In terms of performance, disappointment, the first half an hour is okay, you know, maybe a little bit of here and there you smell it, but after that it becomes very close to the skin. Unless somebody, you know, approaches you, then they won't smell it at all. And I even went blind nose on it after an hour anyway. Overall okay, not bad, but I don't understand the hype behind it at all. Smells cheap, and it is cheap. There are some fragrances, perfumes that you pay less money, not cheap, less money, but you get much better quality, okay? I am looking for those, looking for good quality fragrance, but you spending much less than, say, big brands, okay? But in this case, unfortunately, that's not the case. It's cheap, it comes cheap packaging, cheap bottle, cheap smell, cheap quality, and it falls apart. Apart from the first half an hour, as I said, is okay. It opens up very fruity, and the fruits are quite nice actually, it's not bad, but after that it just falls apart. And also there's some notes in it I'm not a big fan. I think there's a coffee note or something like that, which again, coffee note is one of those notes, if you don't do it to perfection, it becomes basically body odor, and in this case it is a body odor, unfortunately. So overall, very disappointing. No I cannot recommend this in any way or shape. Unless you try it and you like it, then that's different, that's your decision. But me, it's a no, and unfortunately not even for £15 and under, it's not worth it. I paid something like £13-14, which is, to me, that's a waste of money, okay? So without any further ado, let's basically move on, and let's go to today's unboxing and first impression. And this house doesn't disappoint. You always get worth of your money and more, okay? This doesn't need an introduction. House of Lattafa, many of you would know it. I was one of the first to introduce the house of, or brand of, Lattafa to the community. I'm not sure if I was the first, but probably one of the first, okay? And for a good reason, because again, the ratio what you pay and what you get is very good, sometimes even fantastic. Majority of their perfumes are under £20 in the UK, and in terms of presentation, box, smell, and also quality, longevity, performance, they most of the time they are very good, or above average, or even excellent. So let's go and unbox this beauty, and this is Fakhar by Lattafa EDP 100 ml. Look at the box. This is under £20 and this is under £20, and look, it's day and night. This is what I was talking about in the beginning, to mention I am looking for something that is worth the money you pay. This is it, or at least in terms of box and presentation. Look at this huge box, cardboard box, very cute presentation, and what you see is eye-catching, very pretty. Let's unbox it. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so as you can see, very cute. What's this? It's like an embossed, almost, well, I said maybe plastic or maybe even cardboard, but it looks like a metal. But it's very, very nice, traditional Arabic, Middle Eastern design, which is very cute. And then the box opens like this. So look at this. Isn't it day and night what you see? So that's the reason I said that one is no, because when you get for under £20 something like this, that one unfortunately is a cheapie, yeah, and it's not even worth that much. Anyway, so let's go with the look at the bottle. The bottle is just beautiful, gorgeous bottle. Okay, so look at the bottle. It's just unbelievable. Under £20, huge bottle, very heavy cap, is metal, very heavy. And let's go with the sprayer. Very good sprayer, not perfect but good sprayer. And Lattafa Fakhar, first impression, first sniff. This is EDP, 100ml, under £20, and this is unisex, but many people said it is a little bit on the masculine side. And let's see. Okay, first sniff, first impression. Here we go. It puts a smile on my face. The reason is because look at that quality. It's just when you smell it, you smell nice quality, okay, compared to the first one, which is day and night. Anyway, so very fruity right now. Huge burst of ambroxan, little bit woodiness, little bit of aromatic feel to it, tiny bit of spicy feel to it as well, but it's fruity, and it's a little bit on the green side, and it's a little bit of watery aspect to it as well. Is it aquatic? It's semi-aquatic, okay. But the opening reminds me of okay, it's quite similar to YSL Y or YSL Y Intense and Y Perfume, but it reminds me somehow of Invictus Aqua as well. Not much, a little bit of that one, because especially in the opening. Yeah, that sweetness, bubblegum, aquatic feel to it, and also quite woody. Little bit of floral in the mid. Yeah, little bit of floral. Is that a rose? Yeah, something like a rose in there. But overall, quite complex for what you pay for under £20. Mamma mia. Again, I don't want to bash the last one, but as I explained in the first video, the first impression for that perfume, I said I'm not a big fan of celebrity fragrances, and that's the reason, because majority of them, vast majority of them, unfortunately are not good, are rubbish, are just money grabbers because of the name behind it. Okay, there are fans, they go, you know, to sell those things to the fans. They know there are many fans out there that if they put these things out, they will go and buy them. It doesn't matter quality, whatever. If you put just water in there, they will go and buy it. Unfortunately, this is what it is. It is money grabs. There is not much thought behind it. But I was a bit shocked because Olivia Cresp, I was expecting better. Maybe he just got, you know, offer he couldn't refuse. Okay, there's a big celebrity behind it. So listen, this much money on the table, what do you say? You say, all right, whatever, you know. I don't know. I'm just, you know, this is just a speculation. But apart from the perfumer Oliver Crest, which I respect him a lot, and I've done many of his fragrances before, I smell them, I review them, and majority of the time he does very good job. But with this one, unfortunately, he's not. Anyway, so the Fakhar, yes, for the first impression, beautiful, very fruity, aquatic, sweet, bubblegum, ambroxan. Obviously these days everybody's putting ambroxan in everything. Little bit of aromatic feel, little bit of floral, like something like there's something like a rose in there as well. Yeah, a little bit of rosiness to it, but again, much better than the first one. Obviously much more complex, much better quality, much better done overall. And that's for today. So guys, next video I'll let you know the performance, the longevity, and the development and things like that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you find it informative, if you find it offensive, if you find it entertaining, whatever. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future videos. Share it with others. This way you help me to expand my channel. And if you know any of this, put them in the comment and what you think of my opinion, and let us see your opinion. Do you think it's worth the money, or you're in the same boat as me? Okay, listen, we are all we have different taste, we have different background, we have different lifestyle, we have different skin, we have different cultural background, upbringing, and all those things play a role of what you like and you don't like. Same as me, same as you. So we all have certain taste, and that reflects in my videos as well. You can see sometimes I like something so much, I try to be, you know, I get excited, and sometimes I see something like this one which is quite disappointing. Anyway, the beauty of it is we're all different, okay, and that's making it very exciting, because we're all different, we all like different things. If it was everybody was the same, there wasn't any need of making videos anymore. We know what is good, what is bad, and that's the end of it, okay? Anyway, that rant is over. Please thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but this way you show me your appreciation, and also you help me to expand my channel, and it would be very nice of you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.